Meet your major. Animation and game arts. Create worlds, embrace technology, make hands-on interactive art and design that excites and entertains. Sound like a dream job? Animation and game arts might be the major for you. As an AGA major, you'll learn cutting-edge tools and programs, and you'll gain industry-relevant knowledge for one of the fastest-growing creative fields out there. And the places you'll go? Literally endless. Jen Murray, animation and game arts major, says, "I am a huge nerd. I love Star Wars, Steven Universe, and all sorts of different nerdy things. And there are tons of people in AGA who share the same interests. I made my first short film in sophomore year. There was something about seeing my own characters come to life that excited me. Whether you're interested in creating short animated films or finding ways to make everyday activities interactive through gamification, the animation and game arts major will give you a leg up in the industry and prepare you for a fun and fantastic career." Kelly Williams, animation and game arts faculty, says, "If you think about women animators, you should be thinking about more. It's important that more students don't only enter the industry, but become leaders. AGA students get to take classes like 3D environments, animation and storyboarding, mobile media projects, game strategies studio. You'll get hands-on experience with tools, software, and equipment that animators and game designers use in the field. Plus, every student gets a $1,000 paid internship between their junior and senior years, an opportunity that could turn into the first big step of your career. After graduation, your talent and skills will be in high demand. AGA alumni have gone on to work for companies in the animation and gaming industries and far beyond." Alexa Whitby, animation and game arts alum, says, "I use skills I learned at Moore every day at my job. Technical skills like drawing, 3D modeling, and rendering, as well as programming knowledge from our game design classes. Applying for fellowships, internships, and preparing for the senior show taught me to push myself out of my comfort zone." Ready to meet your major and learn more about animation and game arts at Moore? Visit moore.edu/AGA or contact our admissions office today.